Do you know how many dollars you have in your pocket after you pay tax on interest income, dividend income, and capital gains? Let's take a closer look. Many wealthy individuals rely on investment income from their portfolios to help supplement their lifestyle in retirement. Taxes on Canada have a major impact on how much you end up with at the end of the day in your pocket. We're going to go through a scenario, and I want to preface it by saying you should always talk to your accountant, and it's for illustrative purposes only. In this scenario, we're assuming that your only source of income is $50,000. That's it. We're going to look at interest income, capital gains, and dividend income, of course. So let's go through the numbers. For interest income, you will pay an average tax rate of about 15%. So basically the same as any other type of income or employment income. There's no benefit that the government is giving you or CRA is giving you on interest income. For dividend income, you will pay $0 on $50,000 worth of income, $0 in tax. For capital gains, it's still pretty good. The average tax rate is about 8% on the inclusion amount, and you'll end up with about $48,000 at the end of the day. So you can see how interest income is taxed at a much higher level than dividend income or capital gains. Let's go through another scenario. Going through another scenario here with $100,000 original income. If it's interest income, you end up with about $78,000. For dividends and capital gains, it's roughly about $92,000 at the end of the day. So you get quite a bit more in your pocket depending on what kind of income you're earning. In my experience, working with a team of experts such as a wealth advisor, working with your accountant, will help you make the best informed decision. And remember, knowledge is power. I'm Anna Hilberry. Thank you so much for listening.